so we talked a lot about the backlog. Now the second half of that is the prospective job. So what you can do for the prospective jobs here is you can add a new job, give it a name, who the client is, the start date, the end date. You know, actually put one in here real quick. So I'll say it's going to start in July 1st, and it's going to run through December 31st. We'll say it's a $1 million contract, 5% margin. I can then select that default distribution again, linear or S-curve. I'll do an S-curve, and then I can say whether I want to include it in my projections or not. So if I don't include it, it's going to track it on the page, but it's not actually going to save it. Or I'm sorry, it's not going to actually include it in my totals. If I do include it, it will. And I'll add it here, and you can kind of see real quick. All right, starting in July, I've got that S-curve. It's going to tell me what I'm projected to do in 2023 and what my remaining backlog is. And then if I said, hey, I actually don't want to include it, I can not include it here. It's going to kind of gray it out, and it's going to remove it from my totals up here for my prospective jobs.